Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is NURUL FAZIRA binti ZAMELI. My matrix number is D2021109923. I am from ISMP FIZIK. Today I would like to tell you guys about the geometrical shape and concept. So first, let's go to introduction. Complex Malim Sarjana is our investigating building around UPSI that meets the geometrical shape, known as the Faculty of Human Science and launched on March 1st, 2005. FSK was officially used in the university after receiving approval from the university's management meeting on September 4, 2009. The faculty had been headed by many deans in an attempt to strengthen the expansion of knowledge in the field of human science. For the first 3 months, the faculty began its operation at the first floor music complex UPSI but later moved to the complex Malim Sarjana. The faculty had only 18 academic and 9 administrative staff. The faculty started with only 2 academic departments, namely History and Geography, which offer a Bachelor of Education History with Honour and a Bachelor of Education Geography with Honour. In August 2005, the Department of Islamic and Asian Civilization (TITAS) was transferred from the Faculty of Cognitive Science and Human Development to the Faculty of Human Science. As part of the new development, the Department of TITAS was dissolved in 2009, and all staff were transferred according to their respective expertise to the Department of Islamic Studies and the Department of Malaysian Studies. Next, location of Complex Malim Sarjana was placed at Campus Sultan Abdul Jalil Shah KSAJS, which is known as the Old Campus, at University Pendidikan Sultan Idris, UPSI Tanjung Malim Perak. This Complex Malim Sarjana is also known as the building under the Faculty of Human Science (FSK). The function of Complex Malim Sarjana was used for placing the Dean's Office, the rooms of Deputy Deans, the room of Head of Department, the General Office of the Faculty, the rooms of the Assistant Registrar and the Lecturer's Room. Provide equipment facilities, lecture room and the complete laboratories such as computer laboratories, physical geography, laboratory GIS, laboratory archaeology, cartography laboratory, micro-teaching laboratory, oral history laboratory and Islamic education laboratory. This building also used for student consult with lecturer, gain more information and use all the equipment that the university provide. The size of Complex Malim Sarjana floor area is 3,875 meter per square, and the size of Complex Malim Sarjana window length and width per square 22 cm and 22 cm. Side and base for isosceles triangle is 90 cm and 89 cm. Side and base for equilateral triangle 24 cm and 24 cm, and the line for scalar triangle 44 cm, 40 cm and 99 cm.
Hi everyone, now let me introduce the geometrical shape that our group had chosen in the structure of the building. This geometrical characteristic of window play a crucial role in the shaping the overall aesthetic and functionality of a building. Our group had chosen a structure of the window that have different structure of the geometry such as rectangle, square, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scalar triangle. Actually, the windows are in the normal shape, but the design they use to make the windows become aesthetically pleasing, they use another wood or timber to make it have a shape that is listed before. Okay, first we're gonna talk about rectangle shape. A rectangle is a 4-sided polygon in geometry, with all of its angle measure 90 degrees and its opposite side being equal in length. We can see that the angle in rectangle shape are right angle, meanwhile its opposite side are parallel, that means they will never intersect. A rectangle diagonal are all the same length. Do you know? The rectangle is divided into 2 congruent right angle triangle by the diagonal bisecting one another. In addition to being equal, the opposite sides are parallel. Alright, next shape is a square. A square is a 4-sided polygon with 90 degree angle on all of its sides and equal length on all its sides. The square 4-sided are all the same length. Every vertex or corner create a right angle which is 90 degree. The properties of a square are when a square is turned by 90, 180 or 270 degrees. It retains its symmetrical appearance. Meanwhile, a square diagonals split each other at a right angle and have equal length. Since a square are neutrally symmetrical, it is quite pleasing visual quality and fit in nicely with both conventional and contemporary design ideas. Okay, we move to the third shape. It's an isosceles triangle. As we learned, an isosceles triangle are 2 sides of the isosceles triangle that have the same length. But there is a change that the base, the third side, will have the different length. The angle that face equally sized sides are likewise equal. The measure of the angle across from the base could differ. The angle created by the base and equal side are referred to as base angle. So the triangle base angle are congruent or have an equal measurement. If A and B are the length of the equal side and C is the length of the base angle, can be noted as angle A equal to angle B. For shape, equilateral triangle. A triangle that has all three sides the same length and all three angles equal to 60 degrees is called an equilateral triangle. As shown on the screen, they are the equilateral triangle that were in the windows. To put it another way, it is an instance of an acute triangle with congruent side and angle. An equilateral triangle has 60 degrees for each of its internal angle. This characteristic results from the fact that all interior angles in an equilateral triangle are equal and that the total of all interior angles in any triangle is always 180 degrees. It has an equal side, which is an equilateral triangle that has three equal length sides. Its definition directly leads to this. Then, the symmetry of an equilateral triangle is quite great. Because of their symmetry and balanced, equilibrium triangle can have beautiful appearance. They could be used to produce visually interesting patterns in windows, particularly in modern or geometrical term architecture. And lastly, the scalene triangle. The triangle with three different lines on each side is called a scalene triangle, based on the length of their side. Triangles are categorized in the way. A scalene triangle has three discrete measurements for its angle. A scalene triangle has no congruent angle. Each side of the scalene triangle has a different length. If the length of the side are donated by A, B, and C, where A, B, C, then the triangle are scalene. They may be different in the length of the height between each vertex and the opposite side. Line segments that join vertices to the midpoint of the opposite side are called median, and their length might vary. Lines that bisect angle and meet opposite side are known as angle bisector, and their length can vary.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Tuan SYAHILA binti Tuan Muhammad SANUSI. My matrix number is D200110992222. Today I want to talk about the geometrical concept. The first geometrical concept is rectangle. A rectangle perimeter is the entire length of the four sides. To calculate the area we use length multiplied by the width. The length for all four sides added together give the perimeter of a rectangle. Three-dimensional shapes such as cube require an understanding of volume. Meanwhile, the rectangles do not have volume since they are two-dimensional shapes in and of themselves. On the other hand, we may figure out the volume of the rectangle three-dimensional objects such as a box or a prism. This is the calculation for the rectangular window that we choose. The second geometrical concept we choose is a square. A square have n equal length sides, along with having 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. It is also a sort of regular polygon. To determine the perimeter of square, we need to use perimeter equal to 4 sides. Meanwhile, to determine the area, we use the formula area equal to side times size. In addition, for square, we also can calculate the length of the diagonal using the Pythagoras theorem. This is the calculation for the square of the windows. The third shape is the isosceles triangle. A triangle with two equal length sides is called an isosceles triangle. The total length of the all three sides form an isosceles triangle perimeters, while the area of an isosceles triangle can be calculated using the base and height, which is area equal to half times base times height. The relation between measurement and geometry is based on their length, angle, and perimeter. The equal side of the length A and D contribute to the symmetry of the triangle and make it visually balanced. And this is the calculation for the isosceles triangle of the windows we choose. The next shape is the equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle is a unique kind of the triangle, which is the lengths of all three sides and angle are equal. An equilateral triangle has three internal angles that are congruent. The measurement 60 degrees each. The formula to find the area of the equilateral triangle is half times base times height. An equilateral triangle perimeter is equal to 3 times of the length of its one side. The relation between measurement and geometry is based on their length, angle, perimeter, height, and area. An equilateral triangle is defined by this basic geometrical attribute, symmetry, which is given the triangle appearance of harmony and balance. All three sides of a triangle are equal. This is the calculation for the equilateral triangle of the windows we choose. And the last shape is the scalene triangle. A scalene triangle is a unique kind of triangle in which the three internal angles are not equal and all three sides have varied length. and scalar triangle has various internal angle may vary. The total internal angle remains 180 degrees. A scalar triangle has distinct side length as well. A scalar triangle height or altitude acts differently from the equilateral triangles. The particular measurement of the triangle determines the relationship that are not constant between the altitude, side length, and the angle. The area can be found by taking the square root of the three distant side angle, or can be calculated using Heron formula or trigonometric method. An equilateral triangle has symmetry and uniformity, while a scalar triangle does not. It seems less regular due to variety side length and angle, and geometric qualities need to be ascertained using the particular measurement of each individual triangle. And this is the calculation for the scalar triangle of the windows we chose.
Transformation in geometry is a process of changing the position of the shape based on the image and the matrices. The concept of transformation can lead to developing new perspective in visualization skill and also to ensure the formation help in providing good functionality of the object. The transformation has four types, which are translation, reflection, rotation, and dilation. First transformation is translation. Translation is the process of the transferring an object in shape while maintaining its same dimension, form, or orientation. Every point on the shape needs to be transferred by the same amount of the time and in the same direction. The first object in the translation is referred to as the pre-image, and the final object is referred to as the image. Second transformation is reflection. So reflection is the process by which this translation method in term reflection, because it maintains the object size or shape while flipping it across a line. Third one is rotation. Rotation is the process of moving the object about a fixed point without changing its size or shape. Lastly is dilation. Dilation is the process by which when an object is translated, its shape or orientation remain unchanged but its size change. Another name for this is scaling. There are four motifs and three patterns contained in complex Malim sarjana that relate to transformation, translation, reflection, and dilation. Let's see one by one. As you can see, motif and pattern 1 are square shapes that are repeated. Motif and pattern 1 show that the four square translated from one square moved to another square. That is clearly seen from the diagram shown. So, the transformation that exists in this motif and pattern is translation. For motif and pattern 2, also transformation translation because the triangle are translated. The shape, size, and direction also the same. Next, for motif and pattern 3, the complex Malim sarjana has transformation reflection because in motif and pattern 3, we can see that the triangle are reflected between the red line. The motif and pattern 3 reflect each other, but the triangle maintain their size and shape while flipping them across a line. Lastly, motif 4 gives transformation relation because the triangle orange is translated with the same shape and orientation, but the size has become bigger. That gives the pink triangle. By referring to the concept, when an object is translated and its shape or orientation remain unchanged, but its size change, so the transformation relation occur in the complex Malim sarjana.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is SITI bin FAUZI and my matric number is B2021 1099 The complex Malim Sarjana at Universiti Pendidikan Sultan Idris UPSI, designated as the Faculty of Human Science FSK, was established in 2005, initially operating in the music complex before moving to its current location. The complex situated at campus Sultan Abdul Jalil Shah houses essential facilities like lecture rooms, computer laboratories, and specialized labs. Over the years, FSK expanded its academic departments and programs, emphasizing its role in advancing knowledge in human science at UPSI. With floor area of 3,875 meters square, Complex Malim Sarjana served as a hub for student consultation, assignment, and access to university-provided equipment, playing a crucial role in the academic pursuit of the faculty. In a separate focus on geometric characteristics, the study delves into the significance of window shapes in building, aesthetics, and functionality. The exploration encompasses various shapes, including rectangles, square, equilateral triangles, isosceles triangles, and scalar triangles. The group emphasizes the aesthetic enhancement of this shape using different materials. Rectangular and square windows are highlighted for their practicality and harmonious appearance, while the unique properties of isosceles, equilateral, and scalar triangles are discussed. The window shapes not only impact the building's appearance, but also influence construction complexity and design adaptability based on their geometric properties. Furthermore, the discussion extends to the application of geometric concept in the mirror complex Malim Sarjana, motif, and pattern, showcasing transformation like translation, reflection, rotation, and dilation, demonstrating their versatility and applicability in geometric design. Through the exploration of structures and objects around UPSI, it's become evident that geometric shapes and concepts learned in class play a crucial role in real-life application. The architectural design of buildings on the UPSI campus often incorporate geometric principles such as symmetry, proportion, and balance. For instance, the symmetric layout of the main academic block and the proportional arrangement of windows and doors in various structures showcase the practical application of geometric concepts. Moreover, the use of cylindrical shape in certain architectural elements, such as pillars or towers, demonstrate the integration of diverse geometric forms in creating aesthetically pleasing and functional design. This experience reinforces the idea that geometry serves as a fundamental foundation in the construction and design of structures, enriching our understanding of its real-world significance.